My favorite part is probably the maple sugar stand over there.
My favorite part is the museum.
Good family fun, and they enjoy all the activities and crafts.
I'm liking it all so far. It's very good. The puppets are fun.
We actually moved to Pennsylvania last month, but we came back just to visit Family Nature Day because we love it here so much.
Thank you very much. We are Andes Manta, coming from Ecuador, South America. We have available some of these music on some instruments also.